These documents, taken together, should provide the required information by Your Excellency in charting an enviable course of our dear state. On this note, Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to invite the incoming governor and my humble self to sign the handover notes. I'm carrying Your Excellencies, that was the speech by the outgoing governor of Kano State and the signing of the handover note.
Governor of Kano State, SHEKARAU. Your Excellency, the incoming Deputy Governor of Kano State, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me start by thanking Almighty Allah for showing us this day. Exactly 8 years ago, we were here, and I was sitting on that seat, and we swapped exactly as we did now. Of course, I have to congratulate Malam Ibrahim SHEKARAU for, I'm sure he will still remember, for inviting me to come back after 4 years. Unfortunately, for one reason or the other, we couldn't make it. But it's better late than never. Now, after 8 years, what he mentioned is what we are seeing today. And of course, what has happened in the last 8 years is a great history to all of us. It's a lesson, especially what is happening right now. And I believe it's a lesson that all of us must listen, must analyze, and see how best we can use the lesson that has been learned. And for me, it is a great pleasure, really, to serve this state in many capacities, both locally and outside the state. And I'm also happy that we are back again to Government House in Kano, and we will do whatever we can to improve the lives of our people. And we actually need the support of everybody in the states, those who are in PDP and all other party members in the other political parties, and even the majority who have no parties at all. We want all hands on deck to ensure that this state is made a better place to live. And I want to take the opportunity to thank everybody who is here, and thank the entire people of this state who have given us this mandate to steer the